To bars at the crack team balls, the balls of the crack team. Yes, this morning, let me set the record straight. I've been getting inbox messages from hypocrites. Hypocrites. That's most of the time when I don't take some comments seriously. I don't take them serious because the same people that will tell you, Albert, those, they are disgracing us on social media. Yoruba, they laugh us. Igbos, they laugh us. They are disgracing us. But when you catch one of the people when they disgrace us, okay, let's discipline this person so that others will learn. The same hypocrite will come back. Albert, stop now. Forgive now. Stop now. Government has is not forever. Obaseki government remain 3 years. Hey, stop now. Stop now. They are hypocrites. Hypocrite. That's what most people they say. I don't they pick up because when I go talk A for morning, when I talk B for afternoon. The real those that want Edo cyberspace sanitized, they have been calling me since yesterday. They want Amigo arrested and arraigned. He that alleges must prove. If Amigo is arrested, as he did do now, as he did Nigeria now, he's arrested and is arraigned. If Amigo find it very difficult to prove some of the things he said against me, against some powerful people, against His Excellency Mr. Governor, if he go back, he don't go talk anyhow again. I didn't tell you. As they enter Nigeria, we just can't arrest them. Hey, social person, what you talk against social person, come and prove it. Now, you want the cyberspace sanitized. How? How do you sanitize it? Somebody go there abroad, go hide behind a camera. Roma. Blackmail people, defame people, assassinate people, character. Then the person come enter Nigeria, I go stay enter Nigeria, we call it dance. Hey, we call it dance. Let's support Obaseki. Let's work together because he just wants to deceive people, make it feel play around, then go back. Next year again, in preparation for 2023, they will not still mobilize the system of people to say, we are not with Obaseki, take this money, start insulting his government. I am smarter than all these hypocrites committing. By the time we arrested Amigo, not people say we. By the time I pick Amigo up, una go know say AC not be fan. Una go know say you see the cyberspace now they are watching all these our people they do all these presenters where they spoil people name. They are watching. They want to see how Amigo will play. If Amigo succeeds in paraplexic, Amigo's plan with Tony Kabaka was to come to Benin. They were there, Papa. Yes, I'm in Akpakpava now. Call Abato, say I'm in Akpakpava now. They'll go golf course. I'm in golf course now. Later they'll do another one. Yes, I'm inside the government now. Tell Abato that Amigo is inside the government. That's their plan. They have been planning it since. But now they are finding it difficult because of the way I take come out. Because I want the situation that you can't just pick somebody's picture. You can just pick somebody's picture, you put up on internet and write rubbish. Tomorrow I will arrest another person and say, somebody brought my wife's picture out, wrote nonsense. And tomorrow you come say, forgive. May forgiveness blind your eyes. That's why someone will say you only read comment. I don't read comment from EPM apologists. I don't read comment from them. I don't read their comment because you know why? They are trying to pull it on Amigo. They don't say, see, I don't hold an Amigo here like this. I don't hold an Amigo like this. That's why they are commenting. Like you have apathy. Like they are zen and Amigo. I swear to God, if I know that Amigo, I address in Lagos this morning. I go pick him up. I go arrest Amigo for Lagos. Now, Amigo, I beg, publish the address, your address for Lagos. If I don't pick you up in 45 minutes, don't call me about Obaze. You have a case to answer. So, but see, if you yeah, but Obaze, I need negative comment. I love negative comment. That shows my hand they touch the next person. If I was the oppressed, even though they say, I don't know, leave her back now, leave her back now. For good 4 years, I think people when join me engaged in Amigo not reach 10. I was the only person in Governor Obaseki's camp debunking all his allegations against the governor. Debunking, steady. So they're not born you where to tell me what to do now. They're not born you where. You be your mama. So you better keep quiet or use your Prozzy account to raw comment in the comment section. Not born you where. Even those when they clap for it, I'm going to akataka, a tiger and lion combine. You're not telling me about forgive. By the time we discipline in an amigo, someone say, if we discipline an amigo, go back, go to not lie. What are you saying? It's a big lie. Others will learn. See the way that they spoil their people. The Benin's are disgracing themselves. Now we see one of the people. We don't even spoil our palace. They say the palace fence. They must destroy the palace fence. Say they must destroy the palace fence. I will not get the video where they talk say the Egwani. How I go away. I don't get the video. I will not get the video where for talk say Imariabe, former princess, Imariabe tell her secret. Say that when Imariabe children grew, now he go tell her the secret. I want the shit where the guy don't do. One day for thief, another day for the owner. He came to Nigeria to celebrate Supreme Court. They thought they will win at the Supreme Court. What I'm here. They already gave Amigo false hope that Agbale Supreme Court. You know, that's why on the day of the Supreme Court, EPM people went inside court, APC people went inside court, they passed 60. We only had about 6 representatives. They don't sell clothes, do everything. So, especially come Nigeria, you want to celebrate Isaiah Supreme Court victory. We not work. Then God can't disgrace them. He said, person that is not doing video, let's join Obaseki to repair, though. How? For 4 years, I was showing them what the governor was doing. They don't look. Instead, they were calling the man names. They were calling him names. See, by the time we are done with Amigo legally, see, Facebook, Amigo will run from Facebook. Are you aware from some of the content I shared? I have 4 court cases. No people sue me. What did I talk? One, I said Taiwo is greedy. Taiwo will not return a government vehicle. He sued me. He sued me. He sued me. Just that. I don't say his wife do this one. I don't say that Tifo. I only say he's greedy. He sued me for 200 million. Then you are saying I should not sue an amigo that labeled me a terrorist. You said I should not sue an amigo that called FBI. I gave my name and my passport date of birth to the FBI. Tomorrow I'm going to travel now and they go control me. Say, stay aside. I should keep quiet when I have a name and family to protect. Hey, people sue me. And they say me I'm not sue person. Me let me they go court. Are you going to be seeing me going to court? I don't want to make sure the other people that sue me because we're already doing out of court settlement. Have you ever asked me about how you pay your lawyers? 4 court cases. 4. One, they sue me on almost 4. I should keep quiet. That's the way I put my wife pictures for internet. call my wife names, I should keep quiet. Ramego brought out my son's picture. He was laying curse on his son, not my son. I should keep quiet. Ramego called me a cultist. He said I'm a cultist. When we know what his younger brothers belong to, when we know the association his brothers belong to, he labeled me a cultist when I am not. He labeled me a killer. He said I'm a killer. I am killing people in Edo when I have never killed before. He said to keep quiet. When I go look for money for Ramo, by the time I pick him, not be joke, oh, not be joke. Unless he comes to Edo and is hiding. Maybe that midnight boss, he go tell you I dare him to follow Benin Airport. I dare him to land for Benin Airport and do a selfie. Give me 15 minutes, I will not pick you. What nonsense. People like the Monica now, they'll say come Benin tomorrow, come and do like this after defaming people. Somebody will just call and say, they will not investigate, they will just publish the person's picture. They never do unto you. If you know what I went through to keep my marriage, to get my wife to understand that this is normal, and I will tell me, say, make I forgive you, amigo. I'm waiting for somebody that will call me to say, forgive you, amigo. Most of these people, when they write all this nonsense, I don't even know them. They have never been my fans. My fans, they know what I went through. Midnight, 1 o'clock, they'll come here when I'm going to run like no, or to a governor gay. About a governor gay. I said, what are you saying? Are you people believing this animal? Midnight, I went out live. Admin, please kick some of these guys out. They don't deserve to listen to me. Admin, any senseless comments, kick them out sharply. I'm looking for one now. Admin, kick them out. Let them go create proxy account to watch me. Get one maggot will comment just now. If I don't see the comment, it will pay me. There's one maggot. Huh? Okay. Okay, I don't see one. Okay, this second one, good. Yes, go create proxy account. I'm looking for some maggot dropping senseless comment here. I enjoyed kicking you out, so you go create proxy account. May I give you work this morning? Please, if you are my fan here, I want to see your comment. If you know say you're my fan and you support this move, if you know say you support this move to sanitize our Edo cyberspace, the person who wanted to show example in Nigeria now already, and is the leader of madness. And Ramigo started this madness on social media. The time when Ramigo started this madness was the time they arrested Kola, Edokpayi, and Kotisugbo. That was when this madness started. And today that everybody, people don't raise their ugly heads. So because when I'm watching their videos, go with the enter my body, say, oh, be all these people, what are they saying with their mouth? What are they saying with their mouth? As Monica insulted, did you hear me call her Ashawo? Did you hear me call her Ashawo? The only thing that I told Monica, pay as a go bring your DNA. That's the highest I could go. You do see me call her names? You do see me swear for her children? I see they guide my ways. See, if you want Edo cyberspace sanitized, give me likes and drop your comments. If you want Edo cyberspace sanitized, you want Aaron Amigo arrested and arraigned. I don't care whether they send to prison. I want Aaron Amigo to appear before a competent court, a judge or magistrate. Make they ask him question, make you know the gravity. Make I was one of the security agencies yesterday. Let's leave on like that. But I only like 3 of Aaron Amigo clips they're listening to. They were like, who is he? Where is he? What planet is he from? What planet is it from? Did he really say that? I said yes. I said yes. I've been at Guando. I've been at the one when you talk about Guando, the former commissioner of police. If you support Aaron Amigo to be arrested, as long as he step the leg, enter this town, just type go on, or just type about fire down. Type it in the comment section. Since we have some lunatic dropping comments here, I want you to also drop that comment. Say about fire on. The reason why I was doing social media was because we had too many illiterates spoiling our name. Tomorrow, that's what some mad God was still see Monkey Face or was he enter Nigeria and say, forgive me, forgive Monkey Face, forgive him. Someone that has spent years spoiling our Oba's name. But if we arrest Aaron Amigo now, they parade in Aaron Amigo, they are carrying and go court. See, others will take off. Why police they arrest criminals, they parade them, so that other criminals will not say. And most of the time, police after parade they'll say, this state is not safe for criminals. If you are still here, run because we are coming for you. That's what we are going to do with Aaron Amigo. By the time we pick Aaron Amigo, we take Aaron Amigo to court. He's arraigned. Maybe court can't remand him. Now, Aaron Amigo will call the shot to Nigeria every 3 months to the court. All these other people where they create, all these other illiterates will follow Mediterranean Sea, enter Europe. Because most of the madness na Europe they did. Now Aaron Amigo dey America when they create like those are our people for Europe. By the time Aaron Amigo is coming to Nigeria court every 3 months, others will take off. They will not start doing comedy skits. They will not start talking about the history of the Benins, the history of Edo. They will not convert their madness to real content. Because nobody can want to go through that road. But if Aaron Amigo come, just the first day when with Tony Kabaka go to Buga, they dance. What make they dance again now? Now I say why they never dance since. Oh Didi, they are making calls, they are looking for contact. Matieto, they need somebody to just get there to say, forget about a small boy. Nothing they happen. Governor not dead one way about day. That's what they are looking for now. That's why they are still stuck in Lagos. So they are making calls. Egbewa Wobe, Aaron Amigo we here so supported governor. How about you? How about you wait here must to arrest her? How about you wait this one? Well done. How about you wait this one? How about that one? They are trying to prepare ground for them to come. That's why they are still there. Aaron Amigo back not there any airports. Amigo don't consist. He don't consist. They are trying to prepare ground. Now why go put borders for vigilante? Well, I don't know the kind of vigilante when they put them. So I don't know if they carry illegal weapon. They follow them. Tomorrow night we hear say vigilante shoot person. I say hey, vigilante don't start to. The Lord will not say we get some illegal when they put inside when they do bad. We'll contact the old vigilante network as say that they do nonsense. So if you want Aaron Amigo arrested, arraigned and tried, investigated, just type right down, fire down. Since last night, no sleep. But if you fit teach Aaron Amigo lesson, this madness will stop. Many of our people don't close their Facebook account because of refresh like Aaron Amigo. People say about that kind of mad person, but I seem like he's just entertaining. We are talking about how can you be getting entertainment from that kind of person? Go follow comedians. When they entertain you, it's not entertainment, it's reducing our race. It's not to use their platform to woo investors. They are scaring investors away. Maybe somebody will go on and say, Obaseki buy PDP ticket with 50 billion. Now he's in the country. Come and prove it now. He's running. He's running. Somebody say a governor and a Dangote, there be this thing that they do body. Is it a general? Come and prove it. Say now governor brother, like tell her. Now, if they arrest and say, where that governor brother will tell you. Go come to the hawker alone. Now you tell them, we go come to the station. Or bring evidence you have to the court. The madness will stop. Are you put up tired? Somebody gonna do video, go get 4,000 people watching, talking rubbish. Most Nigerians want to listen to rubbish. Talking rubbish. How people they go follow ITV or follow EBS page to really hear and know what is happening in their state. They after saga continues. Saga continues. When I see people they disgrace us now, they hate them. Now it is time for one of them to account for his sins against humanity, against me. I was watching one of his clips against me yesterday. He don't delete men yesterday. If I asked him one check and he don't delete them. He was pew. He was here. God bless those in the hospital. So they don't feed me with some tight ones. He has sound in the court. He had the other way. He was on my phone. He had the other on my phone. Wait, better fear. Last card, check up, pick 2, pick 3, pick 4, pick 5. He can't lose the court. And I mean, we have to write an apology. He go need to write with his pictures, ID, everything to all the embassies. Say Abatobaze is not a terrorist. You can't label me a terrorist. You cannot. You can't. Look at what he did to Tony Kabaka. You want him to do the same thing to me when I travel? I said I should keep quiet. They're not born you well. Admin, hope you are kicking all these fake accounts out. You get one presenter I don't want to mention his name. Because I don't want to make anybody feel say somebody can't send me a picture. Or what did the presenter write? Put the picture. I said, don't reply this presenter. I said, go and institute a libel case against him in Nigeria. Anytime he's in Nigeria, you pick him up. You think all these rascals don't like to come to Nigeria every 6 months? They have the money. They get money, but they cannot come because they've stepped on too many toes. They cannot. And all of the time, they look, arrested an amigo. Arrested an amigo. Arrested an amigo, I will see. Arrested an amigo, do ye do. Arrested an amigo, do ya away video, they do. From the first day, they were already happy. He didn't amigo like to. Nigeria, from Pomasunu, when I don't come outside. It's shocking. Go check it on amigo war. Now, 2 days ago, he do video last. They wanted to be doing video every 1 hour. Himself and Tony Kabaka. See, sometimes my position is always unpopular at the beginning, but it's always yield results. If an amigo is disciplined, others will take off. The madness will stop. How can an adult person, a believe person, be smoking weed on a live video? How can somebody, one girl in the court, I don't want to mention her name, I be a dog, I be Bini, I be a dog. If I can present in Nigeria, make sure women affect those ones arrest her. Make sure women affect are supposed to pick her. To serve as deterrent to others to say, don't do it again. I then show say other people they handle the palace side. People they ask me say you must go to the palace. I should say other people they handle that side. Me, I'm following the legal aspects. Me, I don't believe in jungle justice. I don't believe in can't carry gun, can't carry talks. The final. I not did there. I not did the violent part. I go school. and the legal aspect I did. I believe say other palace chiefs, other people that have details of what he said against our palace. I believe they are working on that. Maybe they will still carry and go there. Maybe palace will call Kabaka say, "Yeah, waiva ogbare eko moade," so that all moade go when over and moade mofiare go. And we are going to matter. Okay, no wala. Since matter given away go. So that this thing will stop. People are saying, Abat is scared. He doesn't. Excuse me. What is in government? Is there money in government? Oh God. You get political position to serve the people. To serve the people. I keep saying, how much is the commissioner salary? You don't reach 1 million, but both allowances, everything. You don't reach 1 million. I don't want brag. But many of them they follow me. I don't say 1 million is my problem. If I make 1 million naira in a month, it's a bad month for me. It's a very bad month. After paying expenses, paying my workers, it's a bad month. Can I go home with 1 million naira in a month? So it's not so bad. Abat is doing this. Doesn't want Obaseki. He wants only how. People take government. I'm in government house now. People are inside government. People are working with the government on a daily basis. Why not call it, insult them on Facebook? We need to do the needful. And I believe that I'm not disappointing my fans. My real fans, I'm not disappointed them. You can't defend somebody. And most of the people they talk now, they never, what did they do to us? They never do what to them. They publish my mother's pictures, my father's pictures, my sisters, rubbishing them because of me. I don't know whether I going to tap Bini, but if you have information, please. And we need information to arrest him. Please just send it to my WhatsApp or to my Facebook inbox. We need information to arrest him, please. Not the one not misinform us. Somebody talk about Silva Hotel in Oluku. Don't misinform us. If you have information about where he is currently, I need to arrest him. I don't care about other people. Whether other people choose to ignore, that not concern me. Because the people that are picking Amigo's cause now are those that he didn't malign. Are those that he didn't assassinate their characters. That's why they are picking his cause. If you have tangible information, anyway, please let me know. Just help me. We need to sanitize our Edo cyberspace. There are people in something where I know they reply. But I have all their videos saved. Yeah, discipline here. But I have 4 court cases when I just write up. So some of the write up not being right and they start to about post this was happening. They sue me put. I don't go online go say they do this. They just say a normal write up. They sue me. There's somebody label me terrorist, label me killer, label me cultist, call my wife names, and you say make I shut up because I want Edo to move forward. How will Edo move forward with characters like Iran Amigo? The reason why they talk now because they are not in power. And which is saying we nothing for make Tony Kabaka not deal with Iran Amigo. Nothing for make Kabaka not deal with Iran Amigo. Nothing. First, for first start with attitude, first give an attitude the first day. And they go say, well, who make be umay no we Italo go make ania or when you are kore. Oh man, I love the way I'm sweating. So if you are still doing live videos defaming people's characters, you need to stop. Not be everybody that they do have to. You need to stop. Many of them they don't fight lawsuits against them, but I don't know. Now when I enter Nigeria, I know many of them when they talk to me. Please, we need somebody to take show example. I wish government not use Tony Kabaka show example. I know what other people already do for this town. But as government test their microphone with Tony Kabaka, the rest like this. That's what we're going to do with Amigo. If he succeeds, say he go back to America without nothing happen, I say, oh, America, don't hear who or more cattle. Things are no longer the same as it used to be. So being a civil service officers mess, police officers mess in the state for it before. May go stay there now. May go stay there. May go stay there. May do video. May wind down glass, do selfie for Bava, for Saple Road, for a road. And then we will really know say yes, it get level. Not to the hide. They want fly, they cancel the plane. The road that they plan to use now road. They just want quick company, do small video, go back. Once they don't go back, go big post the video. Say they believe. That's what they're planning. That's their plan B. So they want like do our video, we do the way they go back to the way you're bored. Where they say we will post a but you posted them for like 3 to 4 days. Yeah, because in Benin, shame on you. Am I got less American there? That was what show I was doing. I ain't got less American. So we know the skills. He don't work for them fine, but I doubt if he will work. Because everybody knows him. People don't like him. And they really want him to prove what he said against very powerful, high profile people in the state. That is my position, and it's my position. Your negative comment cannot stop me. Not only we start to see negative comments. For the past 5 years, I've been engaging people with negative comments. I already believe the more your senseless comments, the more you give me the energy to fire down. That shows I am doing the right thing. That's why you're criticizing me. God bless everyone. I have nothing. I have no talk. I have no courtist. I don't belong to any secret court. I'm going to use the law to hold an amigo like this. The law to hold him like this. The law. Clement Edegbe, the law. Please, thank you. Please don't give me false information. Please don't mislead me. As long as they do not say day, the original, they don't see anybody. Please, if you have tangible information, either in Lagos, Abuja, Benin, let me know. Let me know, please. Let me know if there is a petition against anybody, and I say the person in Lagos. The security agencies, they know what to do. So please, I am begging, don't give me false information. Don't mislead us. Thank you very much. God bless you. Bye. This one say, why are you sweating profusely? I'm happy that I'm sweating because I am angry. We need to sanitize our cyberspace. The madness has to stop. The illiterate doing social media, they should go and walk. They should just go and walk. People now pay people to blackmail others. I have never been giving money to blackmail anybody. When I said something about Eruwala, they were saying Eruwala, don't give her back money. Go and ask Eruwala if you give me 50 kobo. Go and ask. You cannot pay me to blackmail somebody. You can't, because I'm not cheap. I'm not poor. If I cannot betray the governor during the election, so which money you want to give me? So I will tell now. I allow Izeyamu people, EPA people, they drop negative comments. But the real talkbearers, imagine yesterday, me and Kingsley Mele, they talk. I said, which Izeyamu is supposed to pick up? Kingsley Mele, if you not enter Nigeria. All the sky handsome for not enter Nigeria. People like them, boss, me Rio. If they people enter Nigeria, say they don't really do anything. They go one even just try to harass them. All the talkbearers, when they do t-shirt, they do. Una area, they don't want support. The Israeli people area, therefore do that something. All those Okaigele will support Geo. Therefore pursue the work of the knee. Instead they be like Geo, we focus on the work. They're bad. They be real Niger politician. They believe as you have taken over, you kick your enemies out of the state, your political enemies out of the state. So this is my voice. So I'm speaking for millions of Edo people, and I'm on the right track. Thank you very much. God bless you.